We have subtraction of decimal numbers. How we do this? First, we have to write them in vertical columns, aligning the decimal points. So we have 0.065 minus, we have 0 once, decimal point we copy in the same column, 0041. In the second number, we have 4 decimal places in first 3, so we have to add 1 0 to first number to have the same decimal places. And next, how we subtract decimal numbers? We use the same rule like in subtraction whole numbers. So in my opinion, it's easy when we first check if we have on the top numbers greater than on the bottom. So we have 0 and 1. We have to do borrowing. So we borrow 1 from 5, so here will be 4 now, and we have 10 at the end. 6 is greater than 0, 4 and 4, so everything is okay. Now we can do subtraction. How we do this? We start from the last column and we are going to the left side. So 10 minus 1 is 9, 4 minus 4 is 0, 6 minus 0 is 6, 0 minus 0 is 0. We copy decimal point, 0 minus 0 is 0. And now, how we check? We have to just add 0.0609 plus 0.0041. How we add decimal numbers? We start from the last column and we are going to the left and we are doing like adding whole numbers. So 9 plus 1 is 10, so we have 0 and 1 we add to next column, so 1 plus 4 is 5, 6 plus 0 is 6, 0 plus 0 is 0, decimal point we copy, 0 plus 0 is 0. We got the same number which we have at the beginning, so it means that our solution is correct.